In Sindh, Pakistan, it was the heart of the Indus Valley civilization, nearly 4,500 years ago. This city stood as a symbol of planning, art, and intelligence far ahead of its time. The streets of Mohenjo-Daro were straight and well organized. Homes were built with baked bricks, equipped with bathrooms, wells, and even a drainage system, something unimaginable in that era. It was a city of trade, craftsmanship, and culture. The people of Mohenjo-Daro were skilled in metalwork, pottery, and weaving. They traded goods with distant regions, showing their connection to a wider world. Their way of life was peaceful and disciplined, a reflection of a highly developed society. One of the most remarkable structures of Mohenjo-Daro is the Great Bath, a massive public bathing area, believed to be used for religious or social gatherings. Its design shows how advanced their sense of engineering and hygiene was. But like many great civilizations, Mohenjo-Daro eventually declined.